Dad, I'm locked out. Why? I can't get in. My key doesn't work. Dad, please open the door.
Hotel hallway, 5 a.m.
Why?
Jack is
Dad,
locked
open
out.
the door.
How did this happen? Let's go back.
Welcome to Daily English Flow.
We're here! Finally! It's cute!
This hotel is cheap, but very clean.
I like it already.
Look at that mountain.
That's Mount Yote.
Wow, it's beautiful.
Ava, can you check in?
Okay, I'll try. Hi, I'd like to check in, please. Sure. May I have your name, please? It's under Mark Miller. Your room is 116. Here's your key.
Don't forget your room number, okay?
Okay, 116.
The doors lock automatically. Please take your key when you go out. If you need more, please take extra items here. Thank you.
Look, there is a lounge.
Let's relax there later.
Let me try the card. It works. It's small but very cozy.
Bunk beds. I want the top.
Okay, the top is yours.
Jack, be careful, okay?
I'm fine, really.
Let's try the bath.
Is it big?
Very big. You'll love it. Wash your body first, then go in.
Got it. I'm done. I'll go in. Wow, it's huge. I can swim.
Jack, no swimming. Be quiet, okay? Don't cause trouble.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay, I'm done too. I'll go in.
Dad, be careful. There is a step inside.
Whoa! Ah! Whoa!
Are you okay?
I'm okay, but my towel.
Haha, it's all wet.
Excuse me, sir. In Japan, please don't put your towel into the bath water or wring it out in the bath.
Oh, really? I'm so sorry.
Please leave your big towel outside.
He's right. Yours is wet, so you can use mine. Dad, you are making trouble. Be careful next time.
You're right. I will.
We had a bit of a disaster, but it was so much fun.
It's 5 a.m. I need the bathroom. It's in the hallway. I can go alone.
Don't forget the key, okay?
It's nice here. I'm not scared.
So sleepy. I'm going back to bed.
I just tap the card.
What? My key doesn't work. Why? Dad, please open the door. Dad! Dad! Wait, 117? No way! My room is 116. Oh no! Oh no!
Jack, what happened? It's only 5 in the morning.
I knocked loudly on the wrong door. I went to 117.
What? Did someone open it?
I don't know. I came back quickly. But I think a man saw me.
Oh no. We need to say sorry. But it's too early. He may be asleep again.
I'll go later. But when should I go? It's too early, but he might leave soon. Anyway, I'll go to the bathroom too. Oh, excuse me. Are you staying in room 117?
Yes, I am.
Oh, I'm glad I caught you. My son knocked on your door by mistake earlier. I'm so sorry for bothering you so early.
Ah, the small boy? Never mind. He was a good alarm clock.
Thanks. I appreciate it. Wait, did we meet yesterday?
Oh, you are the Splash Man.
Oh no, that was me. I'm sorry again.
No worries. Enjoy Japan.
Let's eat breakfast.
So many choices.
Oh, that neighbor. He was the man from the bath yesterday.
What? From the splash?
The splash? What do you mean?
Yesterday, Dad didn't notice the step in the bathtub, and he...
Let's check out of the hotel.
Thank you for staying with us.
Oh, are you leaving? I'm going rafting today.
Oh, hi again. Good to see you. We went rafting yesterday. It was so fun.
Oh, did you? Great.
I'm sorry about this morning.
No problem, little alarm clock. Thanks to you, I woke up early and took a walk. The air was so fresh. Do you want to exchange WhatsApp?
Sure, I'm Mark.
This was our hotel stay. Next time, more adventures. Don't miss it. Like and subscribe. See you next time. Bye for now.